How to add your projects to your LinkedIn profile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your project to your LinkedIn profile easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to linkedin.com and log into your account and then go to your profile. Now this is my profile. All what you have to do is go here to this add profile section option and click on it like this. Now click on additional here and choose add projects. Now from here you can add your projects easy and fast. Project name, the start date and the end date, and also the creator and associated with, and after you finish click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.